I'm going to learn English whether you help me or not. We can use the word whether instead of if. It basically means in two different situations, the same result is going to happen. But don't confuse this weather with the other type of weather. You know, the one with the sun, the clouds, the rain. It does have the same pronunciation though. Weather, weather, weather. And we usually use this word weather with the following structure. Whether plus subject plus verb plus or not. I'm going to learn English whether you help me or not. If you help me, I'm going to learn English. If you don't help me, I'm still going to learn English. I'm going to learn English whether you help me or not. I'm going to go for a run whether it rains or not. If it does rain, I'm going to go for a run. If it doesn't rain, I'm going to go for a run. I'm going to go for a run, whether it rains or not. Keep learning English, like and subscribe.